Okay, I see. So how would you suggest someone goes about learning Google Ads? Is it better to have a mentor, or can someone just dive into the deep end and hope for the best until they figure it out?
Look, there's lots of ways to do it. In fact, I've got a whole video on the fastest ways that you can learn Google Ads, but it boils down to three options. Number one, you can try and teach yourself, and usually you would struggle. You'd probably struggle for about 9 months, 4 weeks if you're really dedicated. But most people, what happens is they learn how to do it, but then they don't have any money to actually spend on ads. So they have to go and make the money and come back and try and spend it on ads. So I've seen it happen all different ways. I've seen people teach themselves, but the best way is to have somebody who's experienced just train you and coach you up. The same thing like if you're a professional athlete, you can learn everything about being a professional athlete by yourself, or you can just go and ask one who's already been doing it for 3 years. And the person that's going to be doing it for 3 years, they will tell you what to worry about, what not to worry about, what to learn, and what not to learn.
If you guys are looking for any corporate branding such as logos, business cards, and more, please contact us on our website www.ashsodesigns.co.za. If you would like to check out some of our work, don't be afraid to visit our Instagram page or our Facebook page.